皆さん、こんにちは。日本語教師のAyanaです。Hello everyone, I am Ayana from Auckland Japanese Tutor. I've been uploading step-by-step lesson videos, so if you'd like to develop your learning habit and master Japanese, please subscribe to my channel. In this video, we are going to learn the useful phrases when you visit someone's house in Japanese. If you haven't learned any phrases yet, I'd recommend to check out the previous lessons, formal greetings or casual greetings at first. Let's get started. The first phrase is お邪魔します。お邪魔します。So お邪魔します is used when you just enter the house at the entrance, like here, this location. You will use the phrase. お邪魔 means bother you or it's in your way. Then します is do. So literally, I'm disturbing your space or something meaning. But it's a phrase, so I recommend to learn as the phrase. Okay, so let's practice. お邪魔します。So, お邪魔します。Repeat after me. お邪魔します。はい。One more time. お邪魔します。はい。Next is いらっしゃい。いらっしゃい is welcome to my house. You've heard of いらっしゃいませ。いらっしゃいませ is used at the shop or restaurant. This is a house. So, if you are welcoming someone, you can say いらっしゃい。Okay, so then let's practice pronunciation. いらっしゃい。One more time. いらっしゃい。One more time. いらっしゃい。Then, if you have something small gift, you can say ほんの気持ちです。So when you are giving something small gift, and then you can say the phrase at the same time. If we break down, ほんの気持ち means ほんの is a little bit. 気持ち means my gratitude, feeling. So that's the English translation. So let's practice. Repeat after me. ほんの気持ちです。One more time. ほんの気持ちです。One more time. ほんの気持ちです。So this phrase is you can use when you are giving small gift to someone. For another one is you can more simple one is これどうぞ。これ means this. どうぞ means here you are. So like これどうぞ. I often use これどうぞ is passing something item. Doesn't have to be present, but when you are passing something, これどうぞ. So for example, when I'm doing a lesson, I give some material to my students, hard copy. I say これどうぞ like this. So some situation you can use どうぞね as I said, when passing item to someone or when you also offer the drink or food, it's common to say どうぞ. And then when someone knocks the door, if you are at home, then someone knock the door, don. Then I will say, どうぞ. So どうぞ means in this case means come in, please come in. So if you hold the door for someone, you can also say どうぞ. So that means after you meaning. So as you can see, those are quite useful phrases depending on the situations. So she's offering food, どうぞ like this. Let's practice. Repeat after me. これどうぞ. One more time. これどうぞ. You can drop これ part. Simply you can say どうぞ. That's also okay. And when you'd like to offer a cup of tea or coffee, you can use this phrase. Would you like blah blah blah? For example, これね、緑茶。This is a 緑茶。A green tea in Japanese is either 緑茶 or 日本茶。緑茶 or 日本茶。So I can say 緑茶はいかがですか？ So いかがですか is asking, offering something. Would you like to have a cup of tea? Okay. Let's practice. Read out this sentence. Repeat after me. お茶はいかがですか？ One more time. お茶はいかがですか？ So when you use the word お茶 means it's a group of tea. So it can be black tea or can be jasmine tea or green tea. So お茶 it's simply tea. Let's practice. Repeat after me. はいかがですか？ One more time. はいかがですか？ So the 〇〇ね。〇〇 means you state something. Like example was お茶。お茶はいかがですか？ Is it, would you like to have a tea? Then in formal way, you can also say いる It's very short. いる Like for example, オレンジジュースいる Repeat after me. オレンジジュースいる So that's the another way. If you are having friends over at your place, you can say いる Like, do you want a snack? Would it be お菓子いる Like that. Then if you want to say politely no thank you, you can use いいえ結構です。Let's practice. Repeat after me. 結構です。One more time. 結構です。One more time. 結構です。Then this phrase is can I use the bathroom? So it's good to ask in the owner of the house. トイレを借りてもいいですか? So this is a phrase, but also can be sentence which grammar involves てもいいですか is asking permission ね。借りる means borrow. Then change to ても。So借りる change to て form is 借りて。Then てもいいですか is phrases for asking permission. So ても is in this case, even if I use it, do you mind it? That kind of meaning. So it's useful to ask. Okay, let's practice. Repeat after me. トイレを借りてもいいですか? So it's a little bit long, so let's try again. One more time. トイレを借りてもいいですか? One more time. トイレを借りてもいいですか? Okay. So that's the phrases we have practiced. So then I'd like to share the tips when you should know when you're visiting the Japanese home. Arrive on time. Japanese people time is the on time person, most of the Japanese. That's the culture. Then number two is don't invite others without asking. In Western culture, it's common to it's okay to like show up with your partner, boyfriend, or your kids. It's but in Japanese culture, we probably host want to know in advance how many people show up and how much food, how much drink we will prepare. So probably better to if you want to bring someone else, you better ask the host first. Then bring a small gift. Um, then maybe it's good to help out after eating if you are having a share a meal together or something. And then, of course, take off your shoes. Okay, so I will explain in Japanese. 1番、時間通りに着きましょう。2番、他の人を誘わないでください。3番、プレゼントを持っていきましょう。4番、 食事の後にお手伝いをしましょう。で、5番、靴を脱ぎましょう。はい。So that's for today's lesson. Well done with your practice. Did you take notes and phrases?見てくれてありがとう。Thank you for watching online lesson. もしもっと学びたかったら私のコースをチェックしてみてください。If you'd like to enhance your learning and or have any questions, please enroll in my online courses where you will have the access to all lessons, videos, can ask any questions related to Japanese. Please check the description for more detail below. I will see you in the next video. それではまた。